South Africa is considering to sell or even swap its 1.5 million doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca Covid-19 vaccine. On 1st February 2021, South Africa received the first consignment of 1 million doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which were intended to be given to healthcare workers by mid-February. However, a recent study suggested that the vaccine only offered limited protection against the new COVID-19 variant first discovered in that country. Health Minister Zweli Mkhize says the country now intends to use a vaccine from Johnson & Johnson instead. He has disclosed that some countries have already approached them, asking if they could sell the vaccine to them. He says the country's scientists will continue with further deliberations on the AstraZeneca vaccine, and depending on their advice, the vaccine will be swapped before the expiry date at the end of April. In Zambia, the Ministry of Health says it is earmarked to embark on the process of genomic sequencing for the coronavirus. Genomic sequencing basically provides information on genetic variants that can lead to disease or increase the risk of disease development, even in asymptomatic people. Minister of Health Dr. Jonas Chanda says this will help in determining the choice of COVID-19 vaccine that Zambia should acquire.
We have been in talks with various cooperating partners who have expressed their willingness to support our efforts for COVID-19 gene sequencing. That is basically knowing what type of strains of the coronavirus are we having. Early evidence has shown that some COVID-19 vaccines offer limited protection against some COVID-19 strains. Therefore, the evidence from gene sequencing is vital to inform our choice of vaccines for acquisition and deployment.
In the last 24 hours, 1,025 new COVID-19 cases have been detected out of 6,699 tests conducted. The cumulative number of cases in the country now stands at 66,598. 1,114 patients have also been discharged in the last 24 hours, bringing the total to 59,989. Virginia Chilongo, Movie TV News, Lusaka.